After submitting a paper, it's important for authors to track the status of their submission. PeerSubmit provides a clear and organized dashboard where authors can easily monitor their submissions and stay updated throughout the review process. To view the status of your submission, log in to PeerSubmit. To log in, visit the conference page and click on the Login button at the top. Once logged in, you will be redirected to the submission list page, where you can see all the submissions made by you. The author can see a list of all the papers or abstracts they have submitted to the conference. Each submission will display important details such as submission title, conference name, selected track, submission date, current status of the submission. This allows authors to quickly track the progress of their submission. To see more information about a submission, the author can simply click on the submission. This will open the submission details page. On this page, the author can view the paper title and abstract, author and co-author information, uploaded manuscript files, submission status, any review feedback. Also, author can upload revised versions of their paper if revisions are requested. They can view decision notifications such as acceptance or rejection. And that's how you can track your submission status in PeerSubmit. PeerSubmit ensures that authors stay updated and informed at every stage of the submission process. Visit peersubmit.com to learn more.